Hello traders and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of transferring stocks from one Demat account to another, following the new SEBI revised process. You might have received an email from CDSL outlining the revised process for the submission of off-market transfers. Effective from January 1, 2024, it is now mandatory to add the buyer's or transferee's account as a beneficiary to the seller's or transferor's account. This step is crucial to prevent erroneous transfers. Adding a beneficiary can be accomplished in two ways. You can either submit a physical registration form to your depository participant, DP, or broker, or use the CDSL Easiest login for a more convenient process. In today's video, we will specifically cover the CDSL Easiest method to add a beneficiary and transfer shares. If you don't have an account with CDSL Easiest, begin by registering on the platform. Provide the required details, including DP ID and Client ID (BOID), which you can find in your broker's portal account details section. The DP ID and Client ID represent the account from which you want to transfer shares. Use a trusted account in the Account Details tab for CDSL to CDSL transfer. In the Trusted Details, fill in the Demat details where you want to receive the shares. If you have any queries, let me know in the comments below, and I'll create a detailed video on this. Once registered, log into your CDSL Easiest account. Navigate to the Miscellaneous tab and click on Change PIN. The old PIN should have been received in your registered email. Up until December 31st, this was the process to complete registration and transfer shares. Now, to add a beneficiary, go to the Transaction tab and click on BioLinking and BioLinking Setup. Here, provide the client's BOID, which is a combination of DP ID and BOID, also known as Demat ID. Now, enter the buyer's PAN to whom you want to transfer shares. You can transfer shares to your own other broker account or to anyone else as a gift. After entering the details, click on Submit. Once added the beneficiary, you'll receive an email with an authentication link. Click on that link to complete the authentication process. This will instantly add the BO as a beneficiary, and now you can proceed to transfer shares. To transfer shares, go to the Transaction tab, click on Setup, then Bulk Setup. Here, you need to select the execution date, counter BOID where you want to transfer the shares, and add entity identifier as NA. Click on the plus icon to add details like ISIN, quantity, and reason for transfer, gift, transfer to own account, or other. You can add as many stocks as you want by clicking the plus icon. Once done, click on Verify and then commit the transactions. This will prompt you for an OTP and PIN, the same PIN you changed after login. That's pretty much it. Once the transfer is approved by your DP or broker, your shares will be transferred to the beneficiary account by the end of the day, and you'll receive a confirmation email on your registered email ID. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding this process, feel free to write to us in the comments below. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. Happy trading!